Oh, well, hello there. I'm Matt Dickens, Resource Conservation Manager at SCV Water. And like many of you, I'm quarantined at home during the governor's safe at home order. Being quarantined at home has brought many new opportunities, as well as many new challenges. Now I telecommute from home, and my attire is far more comfortable. How do I look? And the morning commute is pretty sweet. Bye, sweetie. Love you. Have a nice day. Mwah. Whole new meeting with traffic jam. I need more coffee. What the? Hey, meetings are far more flexible. Uh-huh. Right. Right. Uh-huh. They were showering for how long? So yeah, there are a lot of changes happening around here, but one thing that remains the same is SCV Waters providing clean drinking water day in and day out. Having access to clean drinking water also means that being smart and efficient about my family's home water use also remains an important part of my daily routine. Fortunately, SCV Water now offers the Water Smart Workshop, an online, interactive tool that you can take at your leisure from the comfort of your home to learn how to improve your indoor and outdoor water use efficiency. Once completed, SCV Water customers will get a customized Water Smart report noting findings from the workshop and will earn 20 bucks. So if you're like me and you're staying safe at home, now's a great time to take the online Water Smart Workshop. It'll help you discover ways to improve your water use efficiency and maximize the many benefits water provides you, your family, and your home. Stay safe, and thanks for your support.